after 48 years, I finally have perfected my system to make sure that it actually replies to the seller appropriately, and it actually asks the correct pre-qualifying questions prior to encouraging the seller to really hop on a call. So this is after I have configured the intents and actually training the bot multiple times to make sure it asks the right questions. So here you'd notice that the seller asked for an offer. So instead of actually providing an offer, it did ask for more specific questions about the property, like the roof, the furnace, the HVAC, if the seller actually still lives in the property. And it even asks if there's any taxes to pay off or any mortgages. And so far, the bot is actually replying correctly. And it even says, okay, we'll run the numbers, and eventually at the end of the conversation, it's going to encourage that we hop on a specific time for us to hop on a call, or the investor to actually hop on a call. So yeah, I think I needed a little bit more adjustment, but so far it's a perfect AI assistant for any real estate investor doing SMS marketing.